What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Guys, I have a full agenda for you today. We're going to be doing the recap of all the trades from the week. We're going to be doing a top-down analysis and outlook on the market. I really want to bring to you Tesla. I think it's going to be a powerful pick this week, and I am doing the lifetime giveaway at the end, okay? So please strap in your seatbelts and give me an opportunity here to give you all the knowledge that I can. And let's get ready to make some more money this week. We just want to get better every single week. All right, guys, let's do some shout outs and let's get into it. Who do we have in the building? Hit me with a one if you can hear me loud and clear. Dr. D, Anthony, Pinocchio, Trading Wars Army, Corey, what's going on? David, Trading Wars Army, Weebius, DP, what's going on? All right. Who else? Andy, Alicia, Trading Wars Army, what's going on? Fernando, Johnny Golf, T, Caesar. All right. Let's do this. Okay. So do you guys want to start off with the day trading recap or the market outlook first? Hit me with a 1 for day trading recap. Hit me with a 2 from market outlook. Kevin, what's going on? Spy, Terrence, Dev, what's going on? Trading Wars Army. All right. We start with number 1. Okay. So I'm going to go and we're going to walk through each day. Okay. So in general, this week, guys, it was a good week. There was over 40 points of opportunity on one contract. That's $2,000. Okay. So if you're trading with 10 contracts, that's 20 grand. If you're trading with a micro contract, that's 200 bucks. So still good opportunity this week. And let me walk you through. Okay. So I'm going to start off here with Monday and I'm going to hit the replay. So let's go Monday at 9:30 right here. Okay. So overall on Monday, there were 20 points of opportunity. One was the trigger short for 10 points. That was 500 bucks. And then 2 was the morning leg Fibonacci for another 10 points, another 500 bucks. So 20 points, $1,000 per contract. If you're going in heavy size, guys, Monday was actually a really good day. So let me go ahead and I'm going to walk you through the 2 setups, the trigger short and the morning leg Fibonacci. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to draw the previous day's high and low. Okay, that's very important. So here I'm going to use my horizontal line. Here's the previous day's high. Okay, let's put this in yellow. And here's the previous day's low. So this is the range of Friday. Okay, so this is Friday going into Monday this week. And then we're going to set our trigger, which is our automated short level. Okay, so to find those in the Discord, I also post them on YouTube and Twitter. Come here, SPY Trigger Day Trades. And then we're going to go back all the way to Monday, the 26th of February. And I'm going to show you guys how you can automate these trades and make money. Okay. Isn't that what we want to do? Don't we want to make money and go back to bed? Hit me with a 20. Okay. So the short plan was to short below 507.40 with a stop of 508.26 and a target of 506.59. And then here it is translated for futures. Okay, so 507.40 is our line in the sand for the short. I already have it drawn up here. I'm going to put it in red. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just write this out now. So PDH, previous day high, previous day low, and then the red line is the short trigger right there. Short trigger. Okay, all right. So when this red line is broken, I want to short. That's simple. Okay, so let's go through it. First 5-minute bar, we're above the line. Nothing's happening. So we keep waiting. Nothing's happening. We're waiting. And then finally, boom, there's our entry. So from here, push down. Okay. It immediately pierces the previous day's low. And if you're scalping, that's where you want to go. Bang, bang. Right? But we get a little bit of a retest. And then finally, guys, we have a nice, massive rollover into the close. Okay. So that took us for a good 10 points. And I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to add on ES so I could show you right here. My bad. ES right there. Okay. So from the short entry, which is this red line, that's around 5,175. You can see we moved all the way down to 50.94, a little bit lower. So I'm being conservative. At least 10 points on that play. That's 500 bucks a pop. Okay. Hit me with a 6 if that makes sense. All right. The other opportunity that we had was the morning leg Fibonacci, which I'll show you right now. So you can see right here, this was the 930 and we got a push down to the downside. This one was extremely quick, guys, and it was not that easy to get because there was a lot of opposing signals. Like we had this wick down here. But if we draw our Fibonacci off of the high like this and come to this low right here, guys, there was our 618 right there. Let me put this on the basic. There was our beautiful 618 rejection right here. Okay, so this was the one. I did not catch that one, unfortunately, but I just wanted to show you guys, for those trading the fibs, that was the one. All right, so coming off of this 5102, like that's over 20 points easily. But again, let's be conservative. Say you got 10 points, then you're rolling with 20 points for a Monday. Okay, hit me with the 3 if Monday makes sense. All right, and a lot of these trades, what you're gonna see, it's just quickly off the open. What do we get? And we move on. All right, you want to hit 2 or 3 trades, nice, good ones, make some money and disappear, because you want to let your winners run. So if you have a nice short, like if you catch that short that I just showed you guys with the trigger, it's automated. You could put it in the broker, say sell puts at this price, buy puts at this price, short futures at this price, set it all automated, walk away, go on with your day, and don't stare at the screen. Okay, so let me fast forward now. Boom. All right, so Monday is done. And guys, while I'm drawing Tuesday, I really need your help. Right now, my channel is struggling a lot. My views have dropped in half. My subscriber count has gone to like nothing. And that's because I'm not doing a lot of clickbait stuff and lying to you guys about the next $5,000% gain or whatever bullshit people are talking about these days. So I really appreciate it, guys. I'm giving you 10 years of my life in education that I've learned on Wall Street, on Bay Street, everywhere, guys. All right, I've been around, and I want to show you guys as much as I can. Hit the like, subscribe. Thank you very much. All right, so here we go. We're going to go now to Tuesday. Okay. So right here, I'm going to do the same thing. So we'll hit the replay on Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday, what did we have? Same scenario, guys. Back to back, we had the same thing. We had the trigger short and the morning leg fib. So let's go ahead and let's just move our lines and adjust. Okay, so now here's the previous day's high. And then here is the previous day's low right there. And then our short trigger, bring this one down right here. Previous day's low right here. All right. Okay, and then let's go get our short trigger. So our short trigger for the 27th, which was this, you can see here, guys, we post these well in advance. So we always post this the night before. Thank you, brother Corey CDP. Thank you, sir. So we're looking to short 506.15. Okay, so here is the short trigger right here. Boom. All right, so let's go ahead and watch the price action again. So here we go, guys. Right off of the open, we do not pierce that level. Here's the line. So what happens when we don't touch the trigger? Hit me with the 7. What do you do? Do you do nothing or do you do something? If you make money already, why you want to start all of this? Because in life, you have to be of service. That's it. If you have a skill, you have to give it to this world. That's what you're here for. It's not to sit back and do nothing and be no value to your community. And pretty much everything I do is free anyways. The people in the Discord are the ones that want to see me trade live and learn live from me, but I post free picks every single day. All right, so we do nothing, right? Because the line has not pierced. So we just sit and we wait. Here we go. Bang. There it is, guys. So that right there, if you're scalping, that's the quickest way. You have your entry short and you tag the previous day's low and you're out. Okay, and let's put the futures on right here. So this right here, guys, on futures, we're looking at about 2 points. That's $100 on one contract within about 2 minutes. Okay, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. But what I'll say with this is a lot of the times you want to leave some winners running. If you have 2 contracts, maybe you want to take one off because you want to try to maximize your risk to reward, all right, as much as you can. And the most important thing is if you look at my triggers, this is the previous day's low, this yellow line. A lot of people wait for the previous day's low to break. And like, here's the previous day's low. They wait for the low to break, then they enter the trade. Everything that I do, I front run. Okay. I never want to show up late to the party. I always want to come early. I always want to make sure that I brush my teeth. I took a shower. I comb my hair. I want to come early. I want to smell good. And that's what I want to do. Okay. It's the same thing in trading. You want to come early to the party. Okay. So I'm getting in before the previous day's low even breaks, because I know everybody wants to get in at the previous day's low, because that's what they learned, support and resistance. I'm going to come in a little bit earlier so I can make more money. Hit me with 12, that makes sense. All right. And then you can see our flush right through here, guys. That's clean. Then we start to pull back. Same exact concept. Come off of the high to the low right here. There's our 618 rejection. And then let's push down. Bang. Okay. We even retest the 618 multiple times, guys. Look at this. Okay. Let me just show you guys here. So let me fast forward. Boom. All right. So look at this, my friends. Look at these multiple rejections on 618. 1, 2, 3. Don't you love the 618 Fibonacci? Hit me with a 17 if you love it. The 618 Fibonacci is the golden key that's unlocked all my profits. Okay. The scalping is great. Yeah. But when you want to hit it hard, you come and you find the 618 Fibonacci. There's always one in play, but you don't know which one. Sometimes you're going to get it wrong, because sometimes you're looking at this, but it's actually coming from a higher time frame. But when you hit that 618 Fibonacci, guys, there's nothing better than that. And you know what? Let's pause right here for a second. Okay. Because I want to show you what I did on the hourly chart with the 618 Fibonacci. Okay, so let me just pause right here. Okay. So right here, guys, I'm in these calls right now. Okay, so these are the SPY March 8th, 506 calls. Average price was 423. I bought 2 contracts. Went to 794 at the close. So I'm up 80% on these calls. But what did I do? Let's go to the hourly chart here. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to remove all of these for a second, and then we're gonna put it back. Okay, same thing. Okay, so I ended up going long right here on Tuesday using the 618. Here's the low, here's the high. Bang. There's my 618 retracement. And then this is what I want to see with the 618. Yeah, we chop around for a little bit, but this is what I want to see, a new high, guys. So that's 80% in about 4 days. And then I have the rest of this week if it wants to keep going crazy. Hit me with an 11 if you took that trade with me. So I'm just going to show you guys the call out that was done live. Okay. All right. So here was the setup this is the same setup. This is the only difference is this one is on ES, which is futures. But I also took ES and I took SPY. So you can see right here, Feb 27th, took 506 call for March 8th expiry from 423 to 449. Popped up real quick. It gave a little, if you wanted to take that pop, you could have, but I kept holding, I kept telling everybody I was going to hold it. Okay. So there we go. It's that same thing. Okay. Now, are you impressed that what's happening on the 5-minute chart is also happening on the hourly chart? It's also happening on the daily chart, the weekly chart, the monthly chart. We have a Fibonacci world. Okay, in nature, we have spirals, we have ratios, we have the golden ratio, we have mathematics, we have algorithms that trade the stock market. So what do you think they're using? Are they not using math? How are they trading it? Are they trading it on a gut feeling? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 15. It's all math based. That's why I love fibs, because I have a 61.8% entry. That's a 62% deal. 62% deal means I always have a deal. So I'm not going to blow up my account. Very important. You have those principles inside of you. You're going to put controls in place so you don't blow up your account. Okay, let's continue now. So Wednesday was a wash. The trigger short was a loser this time, loss of 5 points. And then we had this afternoon leg 618 right here. We took this one, guys, right here, look, but it didn't break the new high. It just popped up, popped up, popped up, popped up. So it wasn't really good unless you swinged it. If you swing this 618 that came in on Wednesday, you'd be rich. Okay, because not only did it pop here, it filled the gap, hit the 618 again, and then it ripped. Okay. So I don't know if any of you guys took that, but that trade, I was in that trade. However, I got out. So I'm a little bit sad about that one, because, you know, if I had the guts to hold it all the way, that would have been gone. All right. But at the same time, I already had calls, so I don't want to overexpose myself. Okay. Thursday was all about the opening range breakout. So here was the gap up here. So let's do the first 15-minute range. Okay. So here is the first 15-minute range, 5, 10, 15. So in this block, you could see we broke the low on the 10.05 candle, and that went for 10 points, 10 points, $500. Okay. So that was all about that. And unfortunately, I was waiting for my short. It never came to my 618. I was waiting for this to come back in. Never did. All right. So that missed that one. There was no pullback. And then on Friday, I tried the orb again and I ended up losing on the opening range where I got 5, 10, 15. You can see this candle broke a little bit to the downside. I got trapped short and it flipped. It's okay because after I lost this orb, I ended up just flipping long, and I was able to do pretty good myself. Okay, so there we go. So that's the day trade recap. Hit me with a 10 if you guys like that. If you enjoyed that, drop a like. All right, so I'm still holding this bad boy right here. That's all I have going into next week. I sold my Microsoft calls on Friday, and Microsoft took me some time. Let's quickly look at Microsoft right now. So I call this one out on YouTube with you guys. So I ended up taking this Fibonacci from low to high. I took the 618 long. And as you can see, this one went down, okay? And then it popped right back up. And because I used options, I had 2 weeks expiry. So within 2 weeks, this thing went from down 70% and it came all the way up to up 20%, okay? That's the power of options. And whenever I'm doing my option plays, I know that I'm willing to risk the premium that I put in. So because I have time, all right, I have time, I have 2 weeks. So this is a great example of if I was using shares or futures, I would have got stopped out. Okay, hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. That's when options come in really handy because you don't really care about the stop loss because whatever you're risking is the premium. Excuse me. All right. Okay. So I'm going to talk about Tesla and I'm going to draw it out for you guys and then we're going to wrap it up. But I just want to make some big announcements. Tradingwars.com. As you guys know, in the Discord, I have the SPY VIP section. I added this screen share section. And for the last week, it's been maxed out at 50 because we've been day trading live on Thursdays and Fridays. The screen is open and me and my brother are calling out all the trades. We're taking the trades with the community and it got capped at 50 because I didn't realize that Discord, you got to boost your server. So anyways, I boosted the server. It can now hold up to 150 people. So I just want to let you guys know every Thursday and Friday, the screen is wide open and we're talking in the morning and finding plays, the best possible plays that we can. And we love Thursdays and Fridays that bring the best volatility for day trading wise. Okay. So that's a big announcement that I made. I promised you guys that I was going to do screen share and live, and that's what we're doing. Okay. So I've seen a big change in my channel and the YouTube algorithm. So I plan for the next few weeks that I'll only be going live on Sundays. Okay. I have an editor, basically my wife. I have that is doing 2 professional edited videos for me a week based on the videos I record. And we're going to post that twice a week. And then I'm just going to live stream on Friday. Okay. So that's a new change because I'm just not getting the views anymore, guys. So I got to try something different. But if you think otherwise, if you think there's something else I should be doing, leave me a comment and let me know. If any of you guys are experts in this or whatever, let me know. I'm just a guy that loves trading. I'm not a YouTube expert by all means. Okay. So, but that's what I'm going to do now. So 2 recorded videos with professional editing and Sunday we'll be continuing live. Okay. Like I said, I need your support, guys. And let's go ahead. Let's do Tesla. And then we're going to wrap up. Okay. So here's my plan on Tesla. I'm looking for calls above 204.20 and puts below 199. And the reason for that, my friends, is we have this triple inside bar. Okay. And this is what it looks like right here, my friends. So go right here and grab this arrow. You can see the highs are slightly coming lower and the lows are slightly coming higher. And we are forming this triangle pattern. Okay. And one thing, try shorts. Yeah, brother. Yeah, I'll give that a shot. I have a few of them. One thing I want to point out, guys, look at this very closely. Look at this very closely. The low on Wednesday, the 28th of February was 198.44. And the low on the 29th of February was 198.45. Yes, that's right. It was 1 penny away from touching the low. So that's very important for me. That's why if we start to break past 199, I'm looking for the floor right here to just get pulled up and just slot down. Okay. And if we come up to the high here, 204.20, I'm going to be looking for the upside as well. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you a video. So I actually went live on Friday. I'm going to show you a video of what a good inside bar breakout looks like, okay? Because nothing is guaranteed, it doesn't have to work, etc. But it's such a good opportunity that I don't want to pass up on it, especially because the premiums are going to be cheap of 3 days of going sideways, okay? So here we go. So let me pull up this live right here, and I just want to show you guys, okay? I want to show you what it's going to look like if it's going to work.
First,
all right, so what's up, everybody? Right. Okay, I'm going to bring this over here. All right, hit me with the 5 if you're ready. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to show you, this is a 5-minute chart. We did this live on Friday. We traded together, okay? But this is what I want to see on the daily chart of Tesla. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just going to mute it. I'm going to walk you guys through. Okay. So with lag. Okay. So here's an inside bar that formed on the 5-minute for SPY. Okay. So this is basically what's happening on Tesla right now on the daily chart. But it's also doing, it's creating 3 of these. Okay. So this is what I'm planning to do here. So I don't know what's up with the lag. Right. So anyways, so we're going to bracket the bar. That's what I'm doing right now, but I'm cheating a little bit on my entry and I'm getting ahead of the game. Okay. So there's the bar. It's bracketed. So if it breaks the high, man, this thing is killing me today, guys. I hate this hotel Wi-Fi. It kills me sometimes, guys. Anyways, come on. Play for me. Okay, hold on. Let me try to pull this back right here. Let me see. Well, you guys can watch the video. Okay, let me just kill it right here. You guys can watch the video. I'll link it. Well, is it coming up now? Okay, I think it's coming up now. Okay. I'm going to give it one more try here. Okay, here we go. All right, no luck. All right, that's fine. I'll just show you on the chart right now. So I'm going to go back to SPY. So right here, guys, this inside bar, go to the 2-minute. Actually, there was a really nice one on the 5-minute. So let's just use this as an example. So here's a 5-minute inside bar. It's in yellow. So my indicators are in the description. They're completely free. You add them to your chart and it'll highlight the bars. Inside bars, I put in yellow. Outside bars, I put in white. Okay. And you can change it in here. Okay. So this is what I want to see. This is an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Okay. It breaks above the high and then it just rips. Okay. And if it breaks below the low, I want to see the same thing. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So inside bar is a pause. I want to see the pause is already there on Tesla. It's 3 days of pauses. Okay. And now when it breaks it, I want to see clean move. That's my goal. Okay. So I wanted to show you that video, but you guys can watch it if you get a chance. A very short video. But yeah, anyways, that's what's coming. And actually, I remastered my how to trade inside and outside bar videos. That's going to be uploaded on Tuesday. Okay. How to trade inside and outside bar. If you don't know how, there's a master video coming out on Tuesday with a lot of examples step by step. I remastered my old video. So hit me with a 4 if you're excited for that. I know you guys like inside outside bars. All right. And I see if you still are struggling with how to add the indicator is free. If you want, come right here, tradingwars.com resources, scroll all the way down right here, my friends, add this Trading Wars golden indicators. Okay. And then just hit add to favorites. You can see 7,783 people gave me a boost. I appreciate that. And then you just put the color, whatever you want it to be. Okay. It's going to be on YouTube, brother. All right. Well, I think that's it. Let me go back to my list. All right. I talked about the big chain. Okay. Seminar is coming up on March 17th. Let me bring that up for you guys right here. So Trading Wars Golden Fibonacci Seminar is going to be on March 17th. It's going to be completely free for everyone that's in the Discord. Anyone with the Trading Wars Army, so anyone with the green in their name, Dr. D. Anthony is going to get free access as well. It's only $4.99 to join the Army. And what comes with the Army? Because people always ask me this question. So if you pay $4.99 and you guys want to support the channel, you get, I will show you right now what you get, my friends. You get these seminars for free that I try to do. I try to do them every month. At least every 2 months. So you get free into the seminar. I'm going to show you all of my stats, my statistics, my, everything step by step by step by step. Okay. We're going to build a pyramid. All right. So here, so if you go to membership, this is what you guys get. So you get exclusive content, special picks, swing trades, giveaways, etc. Okay, it's a small thing to do to support if you guys want to help me out, and it also gives you a lot of perks. Okay, so we did the let's do top-down analysis, and we're gonna do the lifetime giveaway, and we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, so we're here on ES top-down analysis 101. We're gonna start off with the monthly chart. Okay, so on the monthly chart, this February closed as a solid green candle. Okay, solid green candle. Here's the previous all-time high. So if we draw a line like this, that's, you know, textbook says that this previous all-time high wants to be tested because people are now looking to buy the dip. All right, hit me with the 4 if that's something you're familiar with. Okay, so people want to come back and buy this dip. So if we start to see a red month forming, I will expect this high, this previous high around 48.08, to be the magnet. Okay, so however, until that happens, until we start to see red, everything will remain green, meaning we just continue to buy the dip. All right, we haven't had a low in the last 1, 2, 3 weeks break. Okay, so it's just been higher lows every week. So until we see a red candle take out this low, it's the same thing. We just rinse and repeat. Okay, follow the trend. This is why I love outside bars. You see these outside bars on the weekly, guys? Look at this. Boom, breakout high, boom, breakout high. All right, hit me with a 10 if you guys trade outside bars. Very powerful too. Outside, inside bars, very powerful. So until the lows are taken out, we buy the dip mode. Okay, that's it. All right, here's the daily. Here's the last outside bar. So for immediate momentum, I need to see Friday's low taken out. And then we can start thinking, okay, maybe it's time to short. But until then, guys, we just look for what we can get. If we're doing intraday and we catch a small short, we can take that as well. But no big swings to the downside until we see a change in the direction of the trend. Okay, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. All right. So that's it, my friends. I'm going to do the lifetime giveaway right now. Hit me with a 4. If you're ready to rock, send me the drum roll. I just want to announce that I've reopened the Apprentice program. Okay, so when I started off in 2021 on Twitter, this is how I got really popular, because I just used to do live callouts, like buy spy calls, blah, blah, blah. I just used to do like live all the time. And I grew. That's how I grew. I grew by just showing people that I can, you know, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I have a decent win rate. And then I started the Apprentice program. So the Apprentice program, you get all 4. It's obviously better now because it's been years later, but you get all 4 of my books. You get 2 of my seminars, and you get a one-on-one session with me, plus all my indicators for life, my scanners for life, 100 trade challenge, everything with alerts. It says right here, $799.99. But if you guys email me tonight, okay, or email me whenever you see this video, rich@tradingwars.com, it's going to be $399. Okay, I'm cutting this even in half. Okay, because I want to relaunch the Apprentice program. I'm looking about 10 to 20 people. I want to do some group study sessions if we can for the people that are really, really serious. Okay, that's the goal. All right, so I'm bringing it back. Okay, so let's do the lifetime giveaway right now. All right, so how are we going to do this? All right, so this is what we're going to do. All right, let me find the old video. Okay, first thing is this. Make sure you commented on this post. Okay, any one of my posts, just make sure you comment it, because I want to be fair. I want it to be someone that also commented on one of these posts. So just go ahead here and comment on this. Okay. All right, so let me just send this over to you guys. Comment on that post right there. Okay, so this is, you know, the Tesla post for you guys to read. Drop a comment on that post, and then what are we going to do here? All right, so we're going to drop a comment on there, and then going to go to the YouTube video. So this is the live stream that we did on Friday. Okay, so this is the one we did on Friday. This is a live recorded video. We did this together on Friday during market hours. Drop a comment on there. Okay, All right. And then you just hit me with a 1 when you're done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort by, and I'm going to sort by newest first. And the third person from the top is going to win. Okay. So go ahead and do your thing. So while we're waiting, I want to discuss that January and February, I've been profitable. March, I'm looking for a big change in the day trading. My day trading in February was not the best, but my swing trading has been immaculate. I haven't missed a swing trade. I've hit some big winners on the swing trades. Like, you know, over here, guys, I can show you. $4,000. See if I can find another one. This one was the calls recently, $5,000. So I've been doing good with swings, but I've been sucking on the day trading. So I think in March, it's going to change where the day trading is going to be more clean based on the data that I have. That's what it tells me. So let's see. Okay. All right. So see, you guys are all good. I'm going to go back here. Let's hit the refresh. Let's see how much comments we have. All right. 23 comments. Okay. One more time. Are you guys ready? Hit me with a 10. I said, are you ready? I don't know if that was good. Maybe I should pursue another career. Okay. Here we go. One more time. I hit refresh one more time. Send out the NWO. Here we go. All right. Right here. Tadao Service YouTube. All right. Tadao Service YouTube. You are the winner, my friend. Email me rich@tradingwars.com for your lifetime Discord to the Fibonacci Society, my friend. Guys, if you didn't get it, don't worry. There'll be another one next week. Okay. So let's congratulate our friend right here. Tadao Service YouTube. Okay. Let's see if I can find him in the chat. Are you in the chat, my friend? Say something if you're in the chat. I'll put you up here. I don't see him in the chat. Okay. But he's got to be, he probably doesn't want to comment. That's okay, brother. All right, just email me. Oh, there he is. Boom. Yes, sir. All right, there we go. So I love when you guys come out. I love when you interact. I love when you watch. And next Sunday will be my next live stream. I'm giving it a chance to do these video recorded with edits. And let's see where it goes, guys. I really want you guys to have a great week. And I'm ready to rock and roll. I know you can hear it in my voice, guys. Doesn't matter how much money you make, okay? If you are not trying to get better every single day, you will die. Literally. Your body, your mind, and your soul will give up. Doesn't matter how much you got in the bank account, okay? It matters what are you pursuing next. Thank you so much, guys. Change your life, tradingwars.com. Email me for that bundle deal and the Apprentice program, rich@tradingwars.com. Take care.